Hello guys, let's fix any printer like Canon, HP, Brother, Lenovo or Lexmark, any printer which is not working. Today we will fix it by very simple and very powerful steps which anybody can do it. So let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is search bar, type printer and then open printers and scanners. Once it is opened, look for your printer. Once you click on that, you need to click on manage, and here you need to open the print queue. See if there is any print queue there or not, if any documents are stuck. If it's there, please do a right click and cancel. So let's say if I just print a test page and I'll just check. See, there is a queue which is there. Now since printer is not responding, I need to delete this. So I just have to do a right click and then cancel. So in this manner I am removing the print commands from the queue. Once it is done, run the troubleshooter. Now Windows 10 has a very powerful troubleshooters compared with Windows 7, XP or 8. So it will start detecting the problems in your printer device, no matter what printer you have. So check if it's what exactly. It could be a connection problem, maybe it's not connected wirelessly, or the USB. So here you need to follow the same exact things which troubleshooters let you know. Let me know in the comment section as well. And the next thing which we can do, let's say if you are not able to delete the print queue, like you have so many commands in the print queue and you are whenever you are opening it, you are not able to cancel it. So in that case we will need to press Window and R and type services.msc. So press Window key and R key on a keyboard and type services.msc, and here we are looking for print spool services. So just select any of the service and type PRI and you will see print spooler is there. Do a right click and go to properties. Make sure startup type is automatic. Okay, so currently we need to disable it because we want to remove the queue. So I'll just click on disable and apply, and then go back to the queue page and cancel all those queues. It will let you delete all those queues which were you were not able to do it earlier. Once this is done, open the services again, do a right click and go to properties. Make sure automatic is selected. Delayed start is not required, so you just have to click on automatic, then apply, then okay, and then restart the machine and see if it's printing for you or not. And also check here in the page, are we able to print the test page or not, and are we able to print from the printer itself or not. These are the questions which you need to ask yourself, that is my printer working? If I'm not giving any command from my computer, will I be able to print from the printer itself? Because every printer has a command where you can print a test page from the printer as well, printer itself. So do that as well, okay, and make sure the cable is properly connected. And if it's not working, you can do one more thing. Turn on the printer and make sure it is connected to the computer, and just take out the power cable of the printer. So while the printer is turned on, you just have to take out the power cable and just wait for 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds and then put it back to the printer. So in this manner we are resetting the printer to defaults. So it may work for you. Alright, and if it doesn't, let me know in the comment section. See the history in the channel. I reply to each and every person whoever comments. I try my best to help. Alright, so please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.